In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Shopify subscription plan on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to read your plan, billing cycle, and subscription status, all from your desktop admin. I'll keep it simple and add a few tips so you know what to look for and what the labels mean. Start by opening your desktop browser and signing in to your Shopify admin. Make sure you're in the right store if you manage more than one. For the smoothest experience, use a modern browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari, and ensure your staff account has permission to view billing and plan details. Once you're in the admin, look to the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down and click Settings. You'll find it near the bottom, indicated by a small gear icon. This is where Shopify groups store-wide configuration options, including your subscription. On the Settings page, click Plan. Depending on your interface, it may be labeled Plan and Permissions, or you might see a Plan section highlighted at the top of the page. Shopify occasionally updates labels and layout, so don't worry if the wording isn't identical. If it's not immediately obvious, look for the option that references your plan or permissions. A quick page refresh can help if the menu is slow to load. This opens the plan page. Front and center, you'll see the name of your current subscription, such as Basic Shopify, Shopify, Advanced Shopify, or Shopify Plus. Right next to it, you'll find your billing cycle, monthly or annual, and typically the next billing date. This page also shows your subscription status, which may indicate if your plan is active, on a trial, or scheduled to change at the end of the current cycle. Take a moment to review the details displayed here. You'll usually see your plan price based on the billing cycle, along with options to change your plan, pause your store, or deactivate it. These actions can have real effects on your costs and available features, so only use them if you're ready to make a change. If you're just checking your status, no further action is needed. Simply note the plan name, the billing cycle, and the next charge date. Keep in mind, small interface differences can appear depending on your region or account type, but the essentials remain the same. The plan page shows your current plan, billing details, and subscription status in one place. That's it. Sign in, go to Settings, click Plan, and review your plan information. Bookmark this page so you can quickly check your subscription anytime from your desktop.